What's up, guys? Welcome to this video. Today let's have a look at cosine rule. All right, so this is the rule that we use if we're given three sides and an angle. All right, so now if we have a look at this here, we have got two triangles here and they are within a cyclic quad. All right, so it means here we are gonna involve some of the rules of Euclidean geometry, so please don't forget them, guys, because you will need them whenever necessary. All right, so now let's look at this one. It said find the angle D. What I want asking us to find this angle here and also to find side DC, which is this side right here. So if you look at the two triangles, the angle that has got a lot of information is triangle number 1. So I am gonna start there so that I am able to deal with the first triangle there. All right, okay, so now if you look at this one right here, you would see that we have got three sides on triangle number 1. It's not a right angle triangle, guys, but if you've been watching the previous videos that we upload, you would realize that when it's right angle triangle we use ratios. So now this one here is just A, B and C, three sides. Then we are looking for this angle here. The aim is so that at the end of the day, if we find this angle, if we found this angle B here, we should be able to get that one, because opposite angles of a cyclic quad, they are equal to 180. So okay, let's go ahead. We have got three sides. We are looking for this one, and I know, guys, you need to remember these formulas when you are busy practicing this. Okay, so let's go ahead. If you want to see how I do the formulas, please, you may pause this video and try it on your own, but however we can continue watching. So what are you looking for? You are looking for this angle here, so therefore it means you must start with this side right here. So you are going to say AC squared. So because you already included this AC squared, which is 8 here, is going to be equals to the other two sides, which is going to be AB squared plus BC. So did you see what I do, guys? You are looking for this angle right here, so it's going to be this side here, and then it's equal to this side and this side squared minus 2 AB, both sides that are not opposite the angle, you put them here, and then you can say now say cos the angle you are looking for. All right, and that's how you should be able to remember the formula of cosine rule. So therefore, what is AC? AC is 8 squared. Just gonna put it here. It's 8 squared. It's equals to AB. AB it's 4 squared, and therefore BC in this case it's 6 squared. All minus 2, and then 4 times 6, and therefore cos B. Right, guys, and that's how you would deal with this one. So if I were to simplify here, 8 squared is equals to 64, 4 squared is going to be 16, 6 squared is going to be 6 squared rather is going to be 36, minus 2 times 6 is 12, 12 times 4, it gives me 48 cos B. No, not beta, it looks like beta, this one, cos angle B. That's what we're looking for. So now if we were to simplify this one further, it is going to give us, if we were to simplify this, take 64, that's take 16 that side, take 36 that side, so it's going to be 30, it's going to be 64 minus 36 minus 16 is equals to negative 48 cos B, cos angle B. If you simplify this, we are going to get 12 negative 48 here cos B. Now I'm just simplifying, guys. This is algebra. Divide everything by negative 48, divide everything by negative 48, which gives us cos B is equal to cos B, let me check on my calculator. Cos B is going to be negative 0.25. And you would remember, guys, if we are dealing with a negative angle here, you will remember from trigonometry, we are going to say second function in our calculator. Therefore, we don't include the negative, therefore is going to give us an answer of, is going to give you an answer here, which is going to be the reference angle, which is equals to how much? Let me see. Our reference angle is going to be 75.52 degrees. Therefore, the actual angle is going to be 180 minus, guys, I'm not going to stress further. If you don't understand what I'm doing here with the angles, please go check out our videos on trigonometry. But this is basically what I do. You don't include the negative, you account where is cos negative. Cos is negative at 180 minus. Therefore, this should give us our actual angle, which is 104.48. Rounding off to 2 decimals here is going to be 104.48. That's our angle. Therefore, if now you want to find D, now you're going to say D is equals to 180 minus triangle B, reason being opposite angles of a cyclic quad. Okay guys, I hope you remember this. Opposite angles of a cyclic quad. So 180 minus 104.48 will therefore give us an angle of D, which is equals to 75.520. So now this angle here, we didn't manage to get it, is 75.52. So therefore now question number two. Number two, they're asking us to find the side what? DC. All right. So now if you have a look at this triangle here, there you go. This is D, this is A, and therefore this is C, and therefore this is 80 is given. This angle we just calculated is 75.52, and then we are looking for DC. So in this case, guys, you can see that we can apply a cosine rule. All right, let's come here and see what we can do. What are we looking for? We are looking for this side here. All right, is it? Yes sir, we are looking for this side right here. So this is what we will do here. Are we looking for this side? Let me double check myself here. Yes sir, we are looking for this side here. Okay, so this is what we will do here in this instant. What we're gonna say here, we are going to say let me see. Oh yes, we are gonna say AC squared is equals to the other two sides here, which is DC, which is what we are looking for, plus DA, not DA of a of a party, yeah, but just DA on this triangle. All right, DC is what we are looking for. DA, and then 2, yeah, minus 2 cos angle D. All right, great stuff. So we know AC is going to be 8 squared. It's equals to DC. That's what we're looking for, DC squared, and therefore AD is going to be 7 squared minus 2 DC, and therefore multiply by DA is what? It's 7. Therefore cos angle D there, which is 75.52, close bracket. Sorry guys, close bracket there. And then we do what it takes to make DC the subject of the formula. Okay, 8 squared is going to be equals to 64, is equal to, and therefore here we're still gonna remain with D squared. 7 squared is equals to 49, and then here we're going to have minus 2 times that. Okay, if we put everything in 2 times 7 is going to be 14. 14 times cos 7.25. If I put that in my calculator, it is giving me 3.5 DC. Okay, now we group like terms together. If you have a look at this one, we're gonna take 48 that side, which is going to give us DC minus 3.5 DC, it's equals to plus 49 rather, minus 64 is equal to 0. So therefore, if you were to simplify this, we are going to end up with DC squared minus 3.5. I hope you guys are following. If you are not following, please leave a comment on the comment section below. It's equals to DC minus, okay, that will give us minus 15. Here 48 minus 64 is going to give us 0. So now guys, if you have a look at this one, you are going to say to me, but how am I going to solve this one? But if I were to say to you, if we were to substitute this and replace what we have written here with different, this is what you're going to get. If this is x squared minus 3.5, x minus 15, please use quadratic question to get the answers of this. But however, just to fast forward this video, I have managed to find that DC is equal to 6. All right, the other one is a negative, so you can have a length of a negative, so therefore this is what I found. So please guys, go ahead, put this in a quadratic formula. X is equals to minus b plus or minus square root of. Go ahead and do that, and then please make sure leave a comment if you can get 6. I am Gaston Mapala. Let me see you on the next upload.